So why are we using rough lumber might be a good question. And I think there's a couple of reasons why I'm using it. One is I definitely have access to it from sawing it and a local sawmill. But secondly, there's a couple other reasons. Early on, I did plane some off for some siding, and it did get wet, I think, but the paint did not stay on. So I think I'm kind of speculating that a little roughness to the wood is helping the paint stay. And you can see here, this was not plain. This is a little bit rough, but still, it's not too bad. And secondly, these older houses were built with regular 2x4s, which really were 2 inches by 4 inches, and a lot of 1-inch stuff. I noticed quite a bit of 7/8 inch stuff also, so pretty thick stuff. Now, one of the things I am doing, this is some rough pine, is I'm taking the rasp and just going over it like this to kind of take off any of the loose hanging stuff. And I think that does help. It gives it a little bit smoother finish, but you have still got the texture. So that's just my little note on the rough cut. And this is outside. It's going to be primed, 2 to 3 coats of paint after that, and a little texture to go with the old siding, which has texture. You know, you can see it. Some old paint in places. I mean, this is under the porch, so there's quite a bit of old paint left. On the other parts of the house, not so much in some areas. But the texture gives it more character. So I feel that this ends up to be really nice, and we don't have to do the planing on it. Yeah, we get bigger boards.